Alright, hello everybody, this is John and Parita, and we're about to get on this MOAS Eye here at the Mall of Asia. It is a giant Ferris wheel, and let me give you a quick look at it as we're going through the line. There we go. There we go. There's each one of the gondolas right there. And this is the line to board it, and maybe you can see all the way up there, but all right, so we'll post this video on YouTube and on Facebook. But if you want to see more videos from Parita and I, please hit the like button and also subscribe. Thank you. God bless you. Keep praying for us here in the Philippines. We love you. God bless you.